Just getting ready to go do a tour. And my coffee is, I don't know if you can see it or not, pretty frozen. A little chilly. Other recycling. Every time I come to visit. Cold? Nice patio. Yep. No, this way. How'd you get in? Got our nice new stairs.
Can we go up?
Yep. Have you been up here yet?
No.
Tell me what you think. Still a little holy up here. Where's your room? Excellent. Great crown molding going up.
My bed's gonna be right where you're standing.
Let's see. What's she saying here? Ooh, my nose is chilly. You. Be nice and open here with a bench. So the light comes through the door, shines on the fireplace, my seat right there. Oh yeah, I see what he's doing. A little bit of work to do over there. The basement, which is all new down there. See. Cut nice and easy. Alright.
Bye.
Bathroom. Then we're raising the ceiling up. Which will be good. Alright, my hands are getting freezing. You ready? Screws.
Wait, stop. This way.
Practice ground. No, they said not to go out that way.